Hey everyone, Vijay here, and today I'm breaking down Taskade from start to finish. If you're brand new to Taskade or maybe just curious if it's worth your time, this is the video you need to watch. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and set up your account, master the dashboard like a pro, and build AI agents and AI teams that save hours of work, and integrate Taskade with your favorite tool to supercharge your productivity. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. So the first step you need to do is sign up. So all you have to do is click the link in the description and you can follow the steps all the way. And once you have clicked the link, you can go to the sign up for free button over here. So you have got a lot of options here. You get the Google, you get the Apple, you get the single sign on or just your email. For this walkthrough, I will go with Google, but you can choose whatever works for you. So once you're in, Taskade will guide you through some quick personalization step. Don't skip these, they help you tailor your workspace to your needs. And finally, you will get into it. You will be dropped right into the dashboard. Now let's get familiar with what you're looking at. The Taskade dashboard is clean, minimal and super intuitive. Here's what you will find. So the first thing is the search. Here you can instantly locate any project, task or note. And then you have got the reason, a shortcut to what you were last working on. And here you can get your My Task, a personal command center showing everything assigned to you. And then you get the calendar. You can see deadlines and schedules in one view. And here you can see your favorites. You can just star your go-to projects for quick access. And then you have got the shared with me, all the projects your teammates sent your way. And then you have got the workspace, which is the real heart of Taskade. This is where your projects, AI agent teams, automation and media live happen. So here you got a small interface in which you could be building your own app like websites. You could be making an e-commerce website and all of that. Let's go to the main feature, which is the workspace. So you have to click over here. And here, as I've said, you get the AI agents, the AI teams, the automation, media, and so on. Alright, let's now unlock the real magic, which is called the AI agents. These are Taskade's secret weapon. Think of them as a smart assistant that automate your workflows, organize tasks, and save you hours of manual work. So you have to click this AI agents over here and you can click on create agents. And probably you'll get redirected to this page over here. And you can again click on create AI agents. So what you could be doing is you could be taking any of the templates that has been already here. So these are some featured ones. And in case if you want some content ones, you can go with that as well. You have marketing here. You have project management ones. You have sales. You have creative production. So on. So probably all the niche you have it over here and you can get this AI agent. So for the sake of the video, let's just go to content creation and maybe let's say you are a YouTube script writer. So once you click that, you will get your name, you will get the prompt and you can be more specific about the prompt. You can write up to 10,000 words, but I'm just going to go with the prompt that's already there. And you can also select the models. So you have got quite a lot of models here and you can select the language, the tone. You can keep it maybe formal and you have a lot of things you could be playing around with, and you can add a knowledge base if you want. So if you want to make the AI work really well, you can add all these existing knowledge base. So I'm going to go with the knowledge base that it already has, but you could be uploading a lot. And you get some tools, you get some commands, and you can share an embed. And I'm going to go ahead and click on update. And you're good to go. Now you can open the chat window and you can start delegating tasks instantly. It's like having a productivity sidekick on demand. So if you look at here, you can see the chat button. So if you go there and you can see the YouTube script writer, it's going to help you. So let me give it a prompt. Alright, so this is the prompt I have given. So I told it to write a complete 10-minute YouTube script on meditation, make it engaging, beginner friendly and structured with maximum audience retention. and I've asked it to include a strong hook, a clear section, a practical tips and all of that. Now let's go ahead and see what the AI agent can do for me. So as you can see, within a few seconds, the whole script is now generated. And let's have a look at the script also. So this is the hook to capture attention. Soft calming nature scene, gentle background music. Have you ever felt overwhelming? Then you get the section 1, understanding meditation, then preparing for meditation, then guided meditation, practical tips for better meditation, benefits of regular meditation. And you get a summary and a strong call to action as well. So this is how you could be using AI agents to make all of your content. It's not just YouTube script writer you could be using as your AI agent. You can just browse through the templates. You have a lot of AI agents for content marketing, project management, and so on. Now let's take it one step further, and it's called the AI teams. Instead of one agent, imagine a full team of AI assistants working together on your project. So for that, you have to go ahead and click on AI teams. Right now, I'm in the free version, so I won't be able to show you, but I'll give you a brief understanding on what it is. So first you have to click on it, and you have to give your team a name like maybe Content Creation Squad. And you can add all of your existing AI agents to the team. So suppose you have a YouTube script writer, then you have a blog script writer, and then you have a copywriter. So all of these AI agents, you could be making them into a single team. So this is a cool feature, and what you could do is you can easily go ahead and delegate one task to the YouTube script writer and the other task to the blog script writer and the other task for the copywriter. Now they will collaborate automatically, making project management smoother, faster, and more efficient. Finally, let's connect Taskade with the tools you already use. So for that, you have to head to settings. So you can click over here and you will see integrations over here. And you basically get 3 main integrations. So the first one is the calendar feed. You can sync your task one way with Google, Apple, or Outlook calendars. And then you have got the Google Calendar, which is a 2-way sync. It changes updates in both places instantly. And then we have got Zapier. This one is huge. It lets you connect Taskade to thousands of apps. Example, automatically create a Taskade task when you get a new email. So the Google Calendar and Zapier is going to be in the premium ones. So you will have to upgrade for that. With these integration, Taskade becomes the central hub of productivity center. And there you have it, your complete beginner's guide to Taskade. We covered signing up, dashboard basics, AI agents and AI teams, powerful integration. And Taskade really is a game changer whether you're managing a team or just keeping your personal life on track. If this video helped, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. And I would love to hear from you what's the first AI agent you're going to create in Taskade. Drop your answers in the comments below. And again, if you want to get Taskade, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.